All right. I want to thank everybody. Ariana, this party was wonderful. The food was great. The atmosphere was beautiful. Everybody did their thing. The DJ, Tommy, did a really great job. Thank you, David, for taking care of everybody, especially me and my bride. Thank you, Tony, for setting this up, and Lisa for helping us. And I want to thank Grace for doing the flowers. I think she did a wonderful job. You guys are great. We had a great time, and everybody looked like they enjoyed themselves. So thank you very much. Thank you. Appreciate it.